What's up, y'all? First wash of 2022. We about to get ready to go get it popping. We got a house wash and a deck to do. We about to go to Home Depot first and get a pump-up sprayer, Teflon tape, and then we off to see the whistle. You dig? Let's go. I had to make a pit stop, put some water in my downstream water tank. I'm gonna add me like a 100-gallon tank on this, but this ain't nothing but a 4 gallon a minute. It's a belt-driven 4,000 PSI hot seat. But right now, I'm just put some water in here so I can downstream my water when I get done downstreaming my 12.5 sodium hypochlorite. You gotta rinse your pump and all your hoses out because that chemical will corrode and it'll mess up some stuff. So I'm about to put some, right now I don't have my 12-volt system on here. So right now I'm about to just pump 2 gallons, almost 2 gallons into that to apply me a straight hot mix to this deck. And then it's gonna look good when I'm done. I ain't seen it yet, but it don't even matter. It ain't big. You're gonna wash the house and do the deck, and then we out of here. I don't think I ever showed y'all my setup, but there we go. I'll explain later.
Hey y'all, we are out here pressure washing today. We got us a house wash. Baby doing that driveway. I love doing driveway, y'all. That's my thing. I'm so proud of him. He's so good at what he do.
You think I'm here to play around with y'all? God damn it, I'm not.
Stay tuned.
This is what he concerned about. You see how they look? Black spots and moldy, all this, all around. And in the back. Do you see this? Dirty.
Yeah.
Spider web.
Y'all, this the big house we doing. House wash. Baby finna ace it. All that. Ooh, the jumpy. Baby rinsing.
Rinse it first. And then I'm gonna apply the chemical. Shit dirty. First one of 2022, y'all. We started off with a big one. Big dirty one too. And we gotta do the deck. I ain't gonna check for the day.
1 hour later.
Alright, y'all, we done. How clean that is. Clean the thing is up in here. Let me show y'all. Clean up in here. This is one of the main spots they was concerned about. We got that taken care of. Clean up in here. Got this concrete slab cleaned up right there. He gonna be ready for the sidewalk in the driveway soon. Everything clean. Beautiful grass. I gotta come back over here and spray this part again. I see a little dirt right there. Yes, sir. Windows clean. First one of the year, y'all. Completed. I'm about to touch this little area right here back up one more time. Other than that, I'm done. Touched up this little spot right there too. For the most part, the whole house clean. That blue vinyl is a lot harder to clean to me. Blue vinyl, colored vinyl is a lot harder to clean than just regular vinyl. That's just my opinion. Every different stroke, different folk. Yeah. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tap in. Follow our Instagram pages, Facebook pages at Browns Washington. It's Browns with 2 S's. Browns, 2 S, Washington LLC. And y'all tap in. $200 100 sodium hypochlorite, 15 gallons of water to downstream, 4,000 PSI, 4 gallons a minute, hot pressure washer. And I got a 20-inch BE World Away surface cleaner. Gotta have the pump up sprayer. We'll get into this another day. Y'all tap in. I appreciate y'all for checking out the video. If you're in the Atlanta area, get in touch with us. Let us keep the property clean. All right?
Yeah. Vibe, just vibe. Yeah. Hey. Big East. Yeah. Decatur. Yeah. Let's go, Big East. Yeah. Decatur. Run it up, we get that paper. Stay far away from you haters. On my way to the spot, I see you later. East. Decatur.